Welcome to a Spirit of Mind, a sacred space for peace, mindfulness, and healing. I'm so glad you've joined me tonight for this deep healing sleep meditation. This time is for you to release tension, quiet your thoughts, and drift into a restorative and nourishing sleep. Find a position that feels comfortable and safe. Lie back, allow your body to sink into the surface beneath you, and let yourself be completely supported. If you'd like, wrap yourself in a soft blanket or adjust your pillow to feel just right. This is your sanctuary, your moment of calm. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. With each exhale, imagine releasing the weight of the day, letting go of all worries, tasks, and thoughts that no longer serve you. There's nothing more you need to do, nothing more to think about. You are here, and that is enough. If this meditation brings you peace, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to A Spirit of Mind. Share your thoughts and let us know what you'd like to meditate on next. Together, we create a space of love and healing. Now let us begin. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice its natural rhythm, how it moves in and out effortlessly. You don't need to change it, simply observe. Let each inhale bring a sense of ease and each exhale wash away tension. Now shift your attention to your body. Starting at your feet, give yourself permission to relax completely. Imagine your feet are being cradled by the softest surface imaginable, like freshly fallen snow or the delicate texture of silk. Feel your toes and the arches of your feet release any tightness, sinking deeper into comfort. Move your focus up to your legs. Picture them enveloped by a gentle wave of warmth, like the soothing embrace of a quiet ocean tide lapping at the shore. Let this wave carry away any tension in your calves, knees, and thighs, leaving behind only stillness and ease. Let your hips and lower back rest fully, as though they are being supported by a soft cloud. You are weightless here, free to let go of any tightness or heaviness. Trust the softness beneath you to carry you effortlessly. Shift your attention to your abdomen and chest. With each breath, feel them rising and falling like the steady rhythm of a lullaby. Imagine your chest filled with a sense of spaciousness, as though it holds the calm of a quiet sky. Let go of any heaviness. Allowing peace to fill every corner of your being. Now bring awareness to your shoulders, arms, and hands. Imagine they are wrapped in the comforting warmth of the morning sun, gentle, calming, and soothing. Feel any tension in your shoulders melt away, your arms growing heavy and relaxed, and your hands soft and open, ready to receive peace. Finally, bring your focus to your neck, jaw, and face. Let your jaw unclench, your lips soften, and the space between your eyebrows release. Picture your face resting against the softest pillow, one that seems to hold you with the gentlest care. Every part of you is now at ease, completely relaxed, and ready to let go. As your body rests, Imagine yourself in a sanctuary of comfort and calm, a room filled with everything that brings you peace. This sanctuary is yours, and it reflects your truest desires for rest and healing. The bed you're lying on feels like it was made just for you, perfectly soft and supportive. Around you, the air is warm and quiet, and the faint sound of a distant lullaby soothes your mind. Here, time doesn't exist. There is no rush, no urgency. Only the gentle pull of sleep inviting you to surrender. Allow yourself to drift, as if you're floating in a serene, endless ocean. The waves are calm, rocking you tenderly, carrying you further and further into the depths of rest. Let go completely. Surrender to the soothing rhythm of this moment. The world can wait. For now, you are exactly where you're meant to be, resting, healing, and renewing. Now, let's anchor this piece with affirmations. Repeat them silently or simply listen and absorb their meaning. I am safe and I am supported. I release the weight of the day and welcome deep rest. My mind is calm, my body is relaxed, and my heart is at ease. I deserve this time to rest, to heal, and to renew. Sleep is restoring my body and clearing my mind. I trust in the healing power of rest. I am whole, I am at peace, and I am enough. Feel these affirmations settle into your heart. With each repetition, they grow stronger, anchoring you deeper into calm and stillness. As the meditation draws to a close, know that this state of peace will stay with you as you sleep. Each breath you take is a step into renewal. You don't need to do anything. Just allow yourself to rest. Sleep will come naturally, gently, like a soft embrace. Thank you for spending this time with me and allowing yourself to relax, heal, and reconnect with your inner self. Remember, this moment of peace and stillness is always within you. You can return to it whenever you need to. If this meditation brought you calm and healing, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to A Spirit of Mind. Let us know how it made you feel or what you'd like to meditate on next. Your thoughts and feedback inspire this growing community of love, mindfulness, and healing. As you move forward, carry this sense of relaxation with you. Trust in the process of rest, healing, and renewal. Remember that you are always enough exactly as you are, and that the peace you feel now is your birthright. It is yours to return to whenever you need. Thank you for being here, for sharing this moment, and for showing up for yourself. I hope to see you again soon. Until then, take care of yourself, honor your journey, and keep creating space for the light within you to shine. Namaste.